Welcome to Crispy Beef Wontons. This is a video to show you how to make them simple, easy, quick. You're going to buy the wonton wrappers from your local Asian grocery, and sometimes your regular grocery will have them as well. Right here we're cutting up a whole shallot, and I have to apologize for this video because this is the first time I was trying to do a video all by myself. And I did not get the trajectory correct on the video so that I could get the other ingredients on there. So you're going to add a pound of ground beef, and I used 80-20, but you can certainly use a higher fat content as that might make the dumplings even juicier, the fat. However, the mix that I used made them really juicy, which was the 1/4 cup of sake, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and a little bit over a 1/4 cup of oyster sauce, and also 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And what that does is it makes a nice meaty style gravy inside the actual wonton dumpling. So you can see here, I thought I was getting the ingredients on the viewfinder, but no, Catherine, you didn't. You bad girl. And so that was a fail, but hopefully the next video I make, I can figure it out a little bit better. And so I'm mixing all these ingredients here in my bowl with the ground beef. And of course, you can't see them, so you just have to trust me. And like I said, I did add a little bit over the 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. And right here, I was having trouble getting the oyster sauce out of the bottle, so I had to set it down and just beat the bottle until it came out, just like ketchup, you know. So add all that together, and you're going to mix that really well with your hands. Also to this, you're going to add your minced garlic and minced ginger, and also a 1.5 tablespoons of cilantro and a 1.5 tablespoons of green onion finely chopped, and just fold those in to the bowl. Once you get everything mixed together, you're going to cover this and refrigerate it for about 30 minutes, and that just makes it easier to wrap the dumplings, because then it's not real oozy and warm. It's cold and it holds its shape better while you're folding the dumplings. Also, you're going to fold in here an egg, and that really gives it a velvety texture, and it holds the dumpling mix together well. And when you cook it, it creates this little gravy inside of there. So get all that mixed up, cover it, refrigerate it, and then you're going to mix up 1 egg with 2 tablespoons of cold water, and this is to seal the wonton skins so that they don't pop open in your deep fryer. And the following are pictures of all my ingredients. There's the garlic and ginger, finely minced. Next, you're going to see the cilantro and green onion. The wonton wrappers that I use, they're just kind of generic. The egg that's folded into the mixture. And then here's a picture of the finalized mixture before I started mixing it up. And so in the foreground is your egg with water. And that's what you're going to use to seal the wonton wrappers. Now, to seal the wonton wrappers, you're going to put a teaspoon of the filling in the middle of the wrapper, and then edge your wrapper with the egg and water mixture. And then after you edge it with the egg and water mixture, you're going to fold it up into a triangle and seal off all the edges. And be sure that you push out any air pockets that might get formed in the folding, because those will really blow up in your deep fryer. So make a little indentation at the bottom of your triangle, and then put some egg wash on your flap, flap that over, seal it off, and it creates a little hat-like shape. Now, I made a huge mistake when I was doing these. I decided, well, let's just do the triangle, and maybe it'll be quicker, faster. Oh no, folks, don't do that, because they puffed up like crazy in the deep fryer, and I thought they were going to come flying out of there and blow up. So stick with the hat shape. We learned the hard way not to just do the triangle shape. It might be easier and faster, but I really thought they were going to blow up. So let's don't do that. And plus, if you do the hat shape, it takes up less room in your freezer. Watch those speedy folding skills, zipping right through there. This is something you want to do when you've got a lot of time. You can make a lot of these and freeze them and then get them out anytime you need them. This is the new little fryer that I got for David. We had a Fry Baby for about 20 years, and we used it until it finally just died on us. So I got this new little fryer, and I have to say I like it a lot better. It takes less oil, has a really nifty little handy basket that's really cool to use, that I wish the Fry Baby had a basket, but this one is so much nicer, and I'm really enjoying using it. And as you can see, I didn't get that shot, but there's the crispy beef wontons. And we made a nice dipping sauce that went with those, and we'll give a little description of those. But don't they look lovely? They were crispy, they had a nice gravy. The dipping sauce was so delicious. And here's David to describe everything for you.
This time of COVID-19 scare, when other people aren't maybe cooking at home very well, I have a pile of homemade, by Catherine's own hands, beef.
Crispy wontons.
Wontons.
Crispy beef wontons.
Look at this lovely sauce she has made. Black vinegar, chili oil, sesame seed,
Soy sauce.
soy sauce. So let's have at it. I mean, you gotta have some kind of peace during this time, right?
Right.
And food brings peace.
Yes, it
And
does.
I might also have a 1.8 liter bottle of sake suige. My mouth gets watering.
You hear that crispy crunch? What flavors are you getting?
Garlic, chili oil. It's not overly done. The inside is still nice and tender. I'm so happy. I almost feel guilty. Almost. Feel guilty having these lovely things. Oh my God, they're good.
All right, it's time for me to eat.
It's time to eat.
Okay, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hit the bell to get more notifications, and we'll talk to you later.
Thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
Night night.
Stand by.